Hey everybody, for this problem we're going to multiply 3x squared times 5x to the 7th power. So first of all, come over here and grab a color of your choice. I'm going to go with blue. All right, and the way you can do this problem is first you want to multiply the coefficients. So let's first underline the coefficients. So the coefficients we have is 3 and also 5. So 3 times 5 will give us 15. So it's going to be 15 is going to be the first part. All right. And then come over here and grab another color. I'm going to go with green. Okay. Now the next part is you want to multiply the exponents that have the same bases. So notice we have x squared and x to the 7th. In this case, we have the same bases of x. So remember, the rule is when you multiply exponents with the same base, you add the exponents. So let's underline x squared and x to the 7th. And x squared times x to the 7th would be x to the 9th power. And there's your answer.